What is going on, my JQ215ers? Appreciate you guys for always tuning in. Thank you for subscribing. It is very much appreciated. Don't forget to stop by the website, www.jq215vlog.com. And if you want some merchandise, it would just click onto the shop and you'll be able to pick up what you like. I've added some more designs on there. So please stop by. Let me know what you think. Now, today, guys, it is going to be a special video because I am unboxing a new camcorder that I just received, and it's from Amazon. It's an aftermarket unit. It's not one of those expensive units that most people purchase, like the Sony, the Canons, the Panasonics, and things of that nature. So I am excited that I get to share this with you guys because all too often I get asked a similar question, and the question is what type of equipment you're using, Jose. First and foremost, when it comes down to cameras, I have 3 units that I use. 2 to begin with. All 87 videos have been done with 2 cameras. 1, my iPhone 11. 2, my GoPro Hero 5. So it's not new stuff. I'm very frugal. I've said it before. I'm not interested in purchasing expensive equipment in order for me to create and produce good content. I just want to have the equipment that allows me to create on my platform. And honestly, man, you don't have to spend a lot of money to start creating with YouTube. Now, number 3 is the unit that I just purchased on Amazon, and I'll tell you guys the price: $139.99 plus taxes plus shipping. It was easy. It was a great purchase. And I'm excited, guys, because I get to show you guys, and then I'm going to add a segment of this video to the end where I am showing you guys the quality of the video. So I'm recording right now and doing a review on my GoPro, and after the review is complete, I'm then going to show you the quality of the camera. So here we go. All right, guys, here it goes. It's called Digital Life 4K camera. It is an aftermarket brand, as you can see here. Nothing too crazy. I'm going to try to get the link added onto my website so you guys can go to my website, click on the link, and purchase it for yourself if you're interested in a similar unit like this. It is a 4K Ultra HD camcorder, high definition, and it is made in China. So here we go, guys. Let's do it. Open this bad boy up. Packaging was amazing. The way they put it together, it was great. It looks messy now because I took it apart already. So my bad. A couple things that it comes with, as you can see, USB to HDMI. Oh man, we all need this cable, and they're all gold plated to prevent corrosion, which is pretty awesome. I'll put that aside right there. You have your standard micro USB for your charging unit. So most of you guys, especially those Android users, you have a ton of these at home already, which is awesome because now you got additional chargers. Charging block right here. It is a 2 amp charging block, USB. Most of you guys have these at home as well, so that means you have multiple chargers for your unit. Here goes the hood for the camera, and I'm going to assemble the camera so you guys can see what it looks like assembled. I don't have a tripod. I just ordered one online, so as soon as that comes in, I'm going to be able to show you guys that as well. Put that aside, the hood, and now you have a microphone. I love this microphone. As you can see, a 1/8 audio jack. You have your mic cover and your microphone, and it takes a AAA battery, and there's settings for off, 0 decibels or 20 decibels. So that is a pretty awesome mic. I've already tested it out, guys, and I'm telling you, good quality for the price, especially good quality. So once again, I'm going to be putting that together. You have your remote control. Takes a standard watch battery, has full control capability for the camera. The best part about this camera as well, it's Wi-Fi capable. So you can connect the application to your cell phone and control your camera with your cell phone as well, not to mention with the remote control. Oh man, I love convenience. So if the product comes with convenience, I love it. Not to mention, as you can see here, guys, an additional battery. Boom! So you got 2 batteries in the pack, which is amazing. And it takes a standard SD size memory card. So for me, I actually went on Groupon and bought a ton of these memory cards that were 64 gigabytes each with the adapter. So the micro SD is in the bottom, pop it inside, and now you have the correct size for your camera. And last but not least, DV Cam. I'm gonna open this bad boy up. I love that it comes with a case to protect it, which is awesome for traveling. And I'm gonna go over some of the specifications of the camera itself. As I said earlier, it is Wi-Fi capable. It is a 4K high definition, ultra high definition, 48 megapixels, guys, 48 megapixels. It has 6 times digital zoom, a 3-inch LCD. Oh man, this is a bad boy. Motion detection, which is pretty awesome as well. Has a built-in screensaver and also has an auto shut-off that I have set for 3 minutes. And of course, the LCD completely rotates to the side, which is awesome as well. So there we go. Now you have inputs for your microphone, for your HDMI, and for your charging. Has a charging indicator on there as well. You can take still photos as well as record, and all of your settings and options buttons are right in the inside. And it also comes with a lens cap, which is pretty cool. Protect your lens. For all you guys out there with those expensive cameras, protect your lens. And I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to put the hood on as well. So here we go. Hood, boom, just screw it on. Boom. Hood on your unit, LCD open, and then here's your microphone. Boom. Real easy attachments, nothing too crazy. And you can see here, I'll plug in the microphone itself. So there goes the camera. Lightweight, guys, it feels like a paperweight. It's very lightweight. Hood, microphone, and the quality is amazing. As I told you guys before, the second part to this video is going to be me recording with this camera itself. So here we go. All right, and then I'll show you guys as well the application. There we go. It's actually inside the user's manual, the application right here. And that is the application you would download in order for you to be able to control it with your device. Here you go. All right, but that is the camera, guys. Please stay tuned because I'm going to record something on the camera. I'll go outside just to show you different light. I'll go in the garage. I'll go out front, and I'll be able to give you guys and show you guys the quality in highlights, a lot of light situations, low light situations, and all that good stuff. So stay tuned. I'm going to show you guys that you don't have to spend a lot of money in order to get good equipment, and we'll go from there. Appreciate you guys for tuning in. Just stay tuned and you'll see the quality. Appreciate you guys. And that is all that I have for you guys for today. So please take your time when you're shopping for your equipment. Don't go broke buying stuff, regardless of how much money you have. Test out different products online, and the best part about Amazon, if it doesn't work out and the quality isn't good, then you can always return it. There's always a return policy on these products, so don't hesitate to make a purchase, try something out, and if you don't like it, return it. If you do like it, let everybody know. But that's it from me today. This is JQ215, and I appreciate you guys stopping by and checking out this review. Take care.